welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are here again. We are having another staycation. Medyo palag-palag tayo for today's video. Nandito tayo and it's my first time going to Solis. So, never ko na na-imagine na pumunta dito because this is a very luxurious hotel and medyo angat-angat siya ng konti. So, medyo pinalad tayo for today. So, I'll give you a quick room tour of the room that we have. And ang bait talaga naman sa reception. Shout out to Miss Julian. She upgraded the room. Kasi sabi ko magdi-distress lang ako ng saglit dito. Kaya napagbigyan niya tayo and in-upgrade niya yung room natin to a bay view. Later, you will see. Alright, so starting from the door. And hindi na talaga tayo nawala-wala. Favorite na tayo ilagay sa connecting room. At mahilig nila sa connecting room. Pero pag nagre-request ako ng connecting room, wala. Anyways, alright, so here on your right, on my right, is the huge bathroom. Inside. There you go. On your left side, we have the toilet. So, nasanay tayo sa mga Japanese umaangat. So, regular toilet lang siya. And it has a bidet. Alright. And we have here the sink. And take note, the toiletries are Oh, perfect. Magandang brand siya sa toiletries, guys. Yan. So, as usual, mga typical toiletries na kasama. There, alright. May tissue, may towel, and there, lotion ng akakapa. Oh, perfect na perfect. And we have here, let's go inside, the shower room. Ayan. And then, another akakapa. And we have here the rain shower. Basta may shower siya, telephone shower. Yan. So, mamaya papag-aralan natin dahil first time natin kung paano to timplahin as usual. Diba? Akakapa. Alright? And then, we have a bathtub. Over here. Wonderful. Perfect. Diba? Amazing. Diba painting sila and everything. And, kasya naman. Kasya ang tao. Oh, kasya ang tao. Kasya yung maliit na tao. Ay, maliit down. Alright, so, moving forward. Tumatawa si Direk. Hindi siya naniniwalang maliit ako.
Oh, yes.
Okay, go inside. Diba? We have a very beautiful. Okay, ito raw. A mirror. Full-length mirror. Body mirror. To check our OOTDs. And we have the very beautiful view of the Manila Bay. Alright, and here we have a king-size bed and a typical, night table. We have controls. And nasanay ako na the remote, pero hila-hila siya. And andito yung remote niya. Very techy dito na gugulat ako paano gamitin this. Yan, so hindi ko alam paano siya gamitin later. And the bed is very comfy. And we have a huge TV here. I will just note na lang sa baba kung smart siya. Check ko pa later. And then, sorry sa kalat. And we have here, here pala. The cabinet. Then, we have 2 robes. Then, laundry bag. Safe. Then, for your shoes. Tapos, slippers. I know these are very comfy. Uy! The zipper. Social. The zipper. It says Solaya. It's so comfy. Ang ganda ng likod niya. Oh my gosh. Diba talaga, no? Experience ng pagiging mayaman. Ayan, just one day. Alright. Okay, moving on. We have here another cabinet. And then, the coffee. And may bayad yung mga yan. Pwera lang sa coffee. Then sa water. Just request for water kung kulang. And yung drinks, yung mga bayad dyan. So, nilagay na lang namin yung mga drinks namin dyan. Kasi may bayad yung mga drinks. and the chicheria. Alright. Okay, moving forward, we have a desk here. Perfect. Meron siyang LAN. Maximum work from home and LAN. Alright. Saksakan. Then drawer. Ooh, what's this? Stationaries. And envelopes. Nice. Okay, working table. Maganda siya. Then, ganda ng chair nila. Oh, may gulong. Legend. And then we have here yung ottoman chair nila. Yung gusto mong tumambay. And we have the beautiful view of the Manila Bay. And direct, pakipakita nga. Buti kita yung pool. Perfect na perfect. Kita nyo ba? Ayun yung pool. Ayun. Yun. There's the pool. So later doon kami. Alright, so there we have it. A very quick room tour. And supposedly our original room is the deluxe room, just deluxe room. So we were being upgraded to a Bayview room. Alright, something like that. Parang ganun. Thank you kay Miss Julian. Shout out sa'yo sa pagiging very accommodating mo. And there you have it, guys. So I'll see you tomorrow since we'll be having our breakfast. Okay? Perfect. Kasama yun sa package. So ayun na very masarap ang pagkain dito. Sobra. Alright, so there we have it. A very quick room tour with Soler Bayview Tower. Alright, once again, thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao!